If you've ever wondered how much is left on your eBay gift card before making a purchase, checking your balance is quick and simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to check your eBay gift card balance step by step so you always know how much credit you have available when shopping online. To begin, you'll need to log in to your eBay account. This is important because eBay requires you to be signed in to view or apply any gift card balance. If you don't already have an account, it only takes a moment to create one, and having it set up makes tracking and using your cards much easier. Once you're logged in, the easiest way to check your balance is through the checkout process. Don't worry, you don't actually have to make a purchase. Simply add any item to your cart. It can be something inexpensive or just something you're browsing. Adding an item is only a way to access the checkout screen where eBay displays your gift card balance. After you've added the item, click Go to Checkout. You'll be taken to a page that shows your order details, payment options, and discount fields. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. Now, have your eBay gift card ready. You'll need the 13 or 16-digit code printed on the back of the card or included in your email if it's a digital version. Type this code carefully into the gift card field, then click Apply. Once you do that, eBay will automatically display the balance available on that specific gift card. You'll see exactly how much credit is left, and if you choose to proceed with your purchase, that amount will be applied to your total. If not, you can simply note the balance for future use. If you have more than one eBay gift card, you can enter additional codes in the same section. eBay lets you manage multiple cards right from the checkout page, which is convenient if you often receive gift cards or combined balances. This way, you can keep track of all your remaining credits in one place without needing a separate record. You can also add new gift cards directly to your account for later use by visiting the Add Gift Card page in your account settings. Doing this allows you to store your card details securely, so your balance is always available whenever you shop. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your eBay gift card balance. It only takes a minute, and it's the best way to make sure you always know how much credit you have before checking out. Whether you shop frequently or occasionally, staying on top of your gift card balance helps you plan your purchases and avoid surprises at checkout. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech and shopping guides.